Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to hide the Instagram app. First, understand that hiding an app means making its icon less visible on your device, not deleting the app itself. This can help reduce distractions or maintain privacy. We will cover several straightforward methods that work on most smartphones, allowing you to control your digital environment more effectively. You can easily reverse these steps whenever you wish to bring the app back into view. One of the easiest ways to hide Instagram is by placing it inside a folder. Simply tap and hold the Instagram icon, then drag it over another app. This action automatically creates a new folder. You can then rename this folder to something generic, like Social or Utilities. For even greater concealment, move this folder to a less used home screen page or place the Instagram icon on the second or third page within that folder. For iPhone users, you can remove the Instagram icon from your home screen without deleting the app. Tap and hold the icon, then select Remove App and choose Remove from Home Screen. The app will then reside solely in your app library. Android users can achieve a similar effect by ensuring the app is only in their app drawer, not on any main home screen pages. This keeps your primary screens clutter-free and Instagram out of immediate sight. Beyond folders and app libraries, some devices offer more advanced hiding options. On iOS, you can use screen time to set content and privacy restrictions, potentially hiding apps based on age ratings. Android users might explore digital well-being settings or third-party launcher apps, which often provide robust features for hiding specific applications from the app drawer and home screen. Always remember to check your device's specific settings for the most effective methods available to you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.